everyone, today we will be talking about sewing essentials. If you like to sew, then these are the basic tools that you will need. Like and share our video and click the subscribe button to be a member of this channel and click the bell icon for notification. So as soon as I post a new video, you will be notified. If you are someone who says you want to start sewing or you want to learn how to sew, then you will need a couple of tools. And today we will be talking about these tools. The first one that I want to talk about is a measuring tape. If you want to take the measurement of your client, you'll need a measuring tape to do that. And the measuring tape has two sides. One of the sides has inches on it and the other side has centimeters. It depends on what you use in what part you live. If you decide that you want to sew, then you will need pens, pencil, markers and eraser to draft a block pattern. The next item on our list that you will need are rulers. And you will see that there are different kind of rulers. You have the more curved rulers, and then we have the straight rulers, and some of the rulers have a right angle, and these especially will come in handy while you will try to draft a block pattern. The next item are pattern paper, because if you want to draft a block pattern, you'll need paper to draft on. The next item on our list is a tracing wheel. If you have draft a pattern on paper, you will want to transfer this pattern onto your fabric. And that's why we use a tracing wheel to transfer our pattern onto our fabric. Our next items on our list are fabrics, because if you don't have fabrics, you won't be sewing. Another item on our list is chalk, tailor's chalk. If you want to bring marks upon your fabric, you will need chalk to transfer these marks on your fabric. Our next items are scissors. You will need different kind of scissors. You will need a scissor for cutting paper, and you will need a sharp scissor for when you want to cut out your fabric. And make sure you don't use your good fabric scissors to cut paper, otherwise it will go blunt. The next item on our list are pins. You will need pins to hold your fabric together before sewing. Our next items are thread, because with thread you can bring the pieces of your fabric together. And there are different kind of threads. We have embroidery thread, and you can see that those are a little bit more shiny than the normal sewing thread. The sewing thread is a little bit more dull. Another important item on our list is an iron. It is best to use a steam iron if you want to sew, because that can help you to remove the creases out of your fabric as soon as they get in. The last but the most important item on our list is a sewing machine. There are different kind of sewing machines. In a separate video, I will talk about the different ways you can use the sewing machine and the different items you can find on your sewing machines. But for now, I will show you the different kind of sewing machines we have. For a starter, we can say you can use a normal sewing machine. It depends on which kind of sewing machine you can buy or can afford. We have the normal analog machine. This is one of them. It's just a simple analog sewing machine. The next sewing machine is a little bit more advanced. This one is a computerized sewing machine. And there are different kind of sewing machines, computerized. The next machine I want to show you is a serger. And a serger is used to finish the edges of your fabric. And the last machine on our list is an embroidery machine. And you can see the embroidery machine has a free arm. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Until next time, bye!